Hello, this video is about how to make ginger juice from the slow cooker. I bought this slow cooker from Lidl some long time ago. If you like to see a review how this is work, I have make another video. But this video is dedicated to show how to make ginger shot juice. Actually, this is not. I got this inspiration from Bratislava. I went there for holidays and I saw this. There was a special restaurant that it was providing as a juice, ginger juice. So it was amazing how they could sell this. My opinion is that this ginger juice is very healthy to begin your day. It's very nutritious, especially if you have some problems with your stomach. It's one of the best things you can have as a juice. And you can make a lot, not consume it all, you can save it in the fridge and absolutely you can use it throughout the day. Personally, I recommend half glass of ginger squeezed juice. It's a perfect throughout the day as well. When you finish drinking, after place this in the fridge. My advice is a bit too strong, but in the beginning it will feel like that, but in the end it will feel amazing. So I really recommend give a try of this and put the rest in the fridge, like what I did. Thank you.